Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a note on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply sharing a quick list, this feature makes it easy to send your notes to friends or colleagues. Let's get started. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. Find and tap on the note you want to share. Once your note is open, tap the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. This looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. A menu will appear with various sharing options. You can share your note via message, email, mail, airdrop, or choose from any other available apps. To share via iMessage or mail, simply tap on the respective option. And you can share your note immediately. You can also choose the level of access you want to give. By default, people can make changes to your note, but if you prefer, you can tap on share options, or you can tap on this only invited people can edit. And then here, you can make changes to your note. You can tap on this only invited people can access, or anyone with the link can access. After choosing the method of sharing and the access, you can tap on send and your note will be shared with the selected recipients. And that's it. You've now shared your note with others. It's a great way to collaborate on ideas or just make sure everyone's in the loop. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!